Hi guys, I am wanting to make some sugar-free blueberry muffins, and the recipe calls for applesauce and I don't have any, so I'm going to use my Pampered Chef cooking blender to make my own. So I thought I would bring y'all along. The cooking blender comes with a little cookbook, and it just happens to have applesauce in here, which works out perfectly. And there's different settings, but we're gonna do the applesauce on the jam setting. And so I need 3 cups of apples. So I have my apples here. I have my Pampered Chef knife and my Pampered Chef core that I'm gonna use. And then I'm gonna put a bowl here, and I'm going to weigh the apples as I chop them up. So you can see that I have my Pampered Chef mixing bowl, and this is at 0. So it's been calibrated right. So I am going to start cutting the apples up and putting them in here. Let's get started. I've already washed my apples. And we're gonna leave the peeling on because that's where a lot of the nutrition is. I'm gonna steal a bite. So good. Let me show you how this works. And then we'll put it down in there and push it through. And it comes right out. And then it has a little nose, whatever you call that, that you can pull it up with. Very handy little tool. And there you go. They're all cored. Okay, so we've got our apples cut up. So I'm gonna bring you along and let you watch me put them in here and get them to cooking. Okay, so we've got our apples in here. I put 1/4 of a cup of water in there like the recipe says. And then it says 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon at the end of it. You'll add all that. So here we go. We're gonna turn our knob to jam setting. And it will do different cycles, like you'll hear it run, then it'll stop. And to push all these down, when you get enough room, you can push all these down. Okay, here we go. Get it good and blended. Don't turn the lid because that stops it, like I just did. Okay, I just wanted to spin the camera around so that y'all can see. This is the recipe book that I'm using. This is the Pampered Chef. And this is the book that you get when you get your cooking blender. This is the recipe book that I am currently using. So I'm going to stop it for just a second and add the rest of the apples. So I got the rest of the apples in there. It's still pulsing and doing its thing. As you can see, the color's changing and it's still pulsing. So it's still cooking. It's a pretty cool blender, y'all. You need one. It is definitely hot now. So let's see if y'all can see the steam. Oh yeah, there you go. You see that? It's cooking. You really need one. Let's go do it. So it has finished cooking, and it beat that we can now add maple syrup and cinnamon, which I'm gonna do honey and cinnamon. So I have the Pampered Chef Cinnamon Plus. I don't know if y'all know, but Pampered Chef has some amazing seasonings and stuff like that. So be sure that you're checking out their seasoning line as well. Okay, so we're gonna add our cinnamon. Just wanting just a teaspoon, so you just kind of do it as such. So now we're gonna put the lid back on it. And it's gonna finish cooking. We'll let that blend up until it's finished, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. Okay, our applesauce is done. This is still a little warm. We're gonna take the lid off so y'all can see what I see. It smells so good. Here we have it. Our homemade applesauce. Let's try it. Let's taste it. See what it tastes like. Looks like baby food. Ooh, it's hot. That's better than store-bought. I don't typically like applesauce, but I could eat that. So good. One of my favorite features with this cooking blender is that it has a heated wash cycle as well. So when you get through with it, I'm going to show you, just put the water in there, put it on here, and it will clean itself. Okay, I just kind of rinsed it out, and I rinsed the lid out, got the food off. I put 3 cups of warm water and 2 drops of soap. Put the lid on. I'm telling y'all, this is neat. This is so freaking cool. Then you turn your dial so that right here you want to light up where it says heated wash. So we're going to turn our dial to that. You can do smoothies. You can make your own milk, coconut milk, almond milk, whatever. You can use it as a grinder. You can make soups with it, heated puree, jams, and sauce. And so here you can see where I have it on the heated wash. So let's see what happens. Check it out. So yeah, it got up to 141 degrees. And now it's doing it for 2.5 minutes. It's gonna clean. Okay, we're down 3, 2, 1. End. Is that not the coolest? Y'all, check it out. This is our now clean blender. Ooh, look how hot that got. So you just pour the soap out, rinse it out. Make sure you don't get the element, this little element underneath. You want to make sure you don't get that wet. But it cleaned right up. Just get all the soap out. And then when I put it up, I just put my lid on, like just kind of so that it can still get some air. You could always take your top off of it, but I just set the lid on it like this. And then I put it back on its base. And unplug it and scoot it for another day. Hope y'all enjoyed it.